Hi, I'm back. It's been almost 4 months since I've sat in front of the camera and I'm back. It's November, we have a couple months left of 2021 and I finally feel like I'm at a place where I can show up here on a more regular and consistent basis, and I am excited to start making videos again. It's honestly been kind of strange stepping back from a platform like this. I've never done this before in my entire 10 years of creating content online, and I needed it. I was feeling majorly burnt out and I needed a break. It was a little bit longer than I was expecting. I was hoping to be back in September and I just needed more time. I just had a lot going on and I just wanted to make sure that I could get to a place where I was feeling like I could show up in a consistent and authentic way, and I feel like I'm here. So you might be wondering what this video is going to be all about. It's essentially just like a hey, how are you? I'm here to check in. I'm here to say hi. I'm here to tell you I'm back. But also I wanted to just give you a little bit of backstory about what's been going on and where I've been, what I've been doing. It's honestly not as exciting as you might think, but it's just been a busy couple of months and I just haven't had the bandwidth to create on this platform, in addition to all of the other things that I've been doing, in addition to getting married and having weddings and family things and travel and blah, 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 blah. So I'm here and let's get into it. I got off the platform where I took my break at the beginning of July, and it was in prep for the wedding. I was anticipating of just like kind of having our wedding and getting through the rest of the summer and then being back here, but life just got the better of me and I just wasn't in a place where I wanted to come back yet. So the wedding was fabulous. I'm so excited to share the video. We just got it back a couple weeks ago and oh my God, it's just like watching it makes me so happy. I've literally watched it like 1,700 times. It's so beautiful. It captures the day perfectly. And I'm really excited for you guys to see it because it was just such a special day. And if you haven't watched the video, let me link it right here about how we planned our wedding, but we only had 26 people there, including ourselves. So I'm really glad that we got a video so that we could share it with the family and friends that weren't able to be there and also with you guys. So I'll be sharing that in, I don't know, maybe like a week or so. I actually have to get the file from my mom because she has it right now. So I'll upload it here and I'll share it. It's about 6 minutes long and it's just like so awesome. And I know it's my wedding and like I of course think it's awesome, but I'm excited to hear what you think too. So all of the weddings were great. Yes, we had multiple weddings. Yes, it was a lot. I'm really glad that we did it. The small little parties that we had were so intimate and special and fun, and I had all of them photographed. So I have all of these amazing memories just captured on film that I can look back on, and I feel like I was really able to be present in those days instead of having a big wedding where I feel like you kind of get swept up in the day and the planning and all of the people that you have to talk to. Like having these individual parties of 25 people or less was just really special, and I really was able to be present and have really amazing conversations and celebrate with people in a really intimate way, and it was really fun. So if you are in the process of planning, I can't recommend going small enough. Of course, I'm sad that I wasn't able to have like all of my friends and everybody together, but it was really perfect this way, and it was way less stressful. It was way less planning. It was way less money. And I just am so glad that we did that. So the wedding was great. Wedding stuff ended at the beginning of August. So August through now, like what have I even been doing? I don't know. I've been up in Vermont a bunch. We went to Maine. Matt went to Colorado. We just have been like up at my parents' house a lot. My brother got engaged, which is really exciting. And then work stuff has been kind of crazy. Not in the sense of like busyness, but I think what I've really realized by taking a step back from YouTube specifically is I was burned out. Like I'm still feeling pretty burned out, but I am hopping back on here because I feel like this is a different outlet for me than any of the other platforms or any of the other things that I've been doing. I feel like I can just kind of like sit down and film, and I don't have to necessarily put on like a special face or, you know, just like, it's less curated. You know, I'm literally sitting here. I mean, I have jeans on, but I'm sitting here, and yes, I have makeup on, sitting here drinking tea in my living room. Like, I have my little vlog camera shooting me. I do have a ring light because it's really dark in here, but it's just like me, and it's just me and you, and we're having a chat, and it just feels more intimate, and that's what I'm looking for right now. I think what I've realized in the last couple of weeks, I've been doing a lot of reflecting, is the thing that has felt like it's been missing, and I think that this is really probably feeling, I'm sure a lot of people are feeling this way too, is like connection. And I feel super connected with my family, but I haven't done a great job being connected with my friends. I haven't been as feeling connected to my work, to my passion, to like the reason why I started this. And it's a kind of a strange feeling because I haven't really had that in the entire 10 years that I've been doing this. This is really the first time that I'm feeling like, whoa, something is shifting here, and I don't know what it is yet, but I feel it coming, and I'm excited about it. I'm also really scared because like, this is what I know, this world of blogging and quote unquote influencing and food, like that's my comfort, you know. I know this space, I've been doing it for so long, but I'm feeling pulled in another direction. I don't know what that direction is yet, but I definitely will be bringing you along for the ride. And that's not to say that the food is by any means going away, because it's definitely not. We're still going to be sharing our recipes multiple times a week on the website, and we'll be sharing recipes here. But I think there's just like other things that I want to be exploring, and interests that I want to be like playing around with, and I feel like I'm at a place in my business that I can kind of step back a little bit from the content creation part of it, which honestly just that takes the most of my time. So I feel like I'm at a point where I actually can breathe a little bit better and actually think about what lights me up and how I can show up here better, and how I can be of service more, and how I can just like help. And I don't know what it means yet, but I'll obviously, as this kind of these thoughts are unfolding, I'm going to continue to share with you. But basically, I was burned out. I've just been taking a lot more time to reflect and think and just kind of dream a little bit, which I haven't really given myself the opportunity to do that in the past, because it's always been like, you know, go, 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 grind, 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 grind. And I'm just kind of over that. So I don't know what that means for me. I do know that this won't be going anywhere, and we'll still be sharing the recipe content, and we'll still be sharing videos, but I also want to be bringing you more into my world and into my life, and sharing more vlogs. And there's a really big, exciting thing that hopefully I can share next week, something that Matt and I have been working on behind the scenes, and like, it's basically a new, maybe potentially a new business that we are starting that we're really excited about, and I'm really just like wanting to sink my teeth into it and explore the different opportunities that are in that space. So I don't know, I'm just feeling like this has been a big season of change in my life, and I don't know if maybe it has a little bit to do with us getting married, but we're also thinking about moving across the country next year, in the beginning of next year. We're potentially moving out to Colorado. Well, no, we are planning to move out to Colorado. I need to just like continue to say that, because I'm like, it's like, oh, we don't know. But like, no, we're gonna move out to Colorado in the beginning of next year. So that's a really big shift, and we've been trying to find a house out there, and that hasn't been going very well. So now we're like kind of shifting gears and thinking about renting. And so that has been also taking up a lot of headspace. And then family planning, hopefully being able to start a family next year. That's been, I mean, it hasn't really been taking up that much headspace of mine, but like, it's just another journey that I feel like is bringing change and bringing shift and bringing new emotions and new fears and uncertainty and everything like that. So obviously excited about that, but also very unsure of like how it's gonna go, and hoping that it's not a challenging process, but also knowing that it is a challenging process for a lot of women. So we're not there yet, but that's basically where I've been, what I've been up to. I am, like I said, really excited to be back. And I know this video is kind of like just me sitting here rambling, and now this like thing is blinding me. Hopefully the lighting is not bad. I guess let me just finish by saying what my kind of plan for the channel is. So we have been doing in the past, and I don't know why I say we, because it really is just me. I have been doing 2 videos a week up until this point. I don't feel like I can commit to that right now, so I think I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna commit to 1 video a week, and I'll probably share them on Fridays? I don't know. Let me know in the comments which days you like to see new videos. Like, there are a lot of people that post on Sundays. Do you like Sunday videos? There are also a lot of people that do them like midweek, like Wednesday. So let me know what I know it doesn't actually really matter, like based on what YouTube says, but when are you most on YouTube? Because then that is when I would like to share them so that you have time to like sit down and enjoy. So we'll at least do 1 a week. I'm hoping that I can loop Matt more into some of the videos, especially as this new venture begins for us, hopefully next week. Oh my gosh. And that also we're thinking that we might actually create a second channel around this space. So I'll let you know how and when and if that unfolds, because do I really need to be adding another thing onto my plate? I'm not sure, but if we feel like that's something that we want to explore, then we will. I know this channel is like mostly about food, and the food is still going to be there, but I'm feeling like I want to really like dig my teeth into, so to speak, into other categories. And I know that can start to like make the channel feel a little bit jumbled, but I'm just gonna kind of go with it for a little bit, see how it feels, see how you guys feel about it, and then we'll go from there. So that's what I'm committing to right now. I will be back next week with another video. Maybe I'll share the wedding video if I can get the file from my mom. She's coming down here on Friday. So let me know what day you think that we should post our videos, and we'll decide on a schedule. And then let's say that the next video is going to be the wedding video, because that's an exciting video and it's so beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. That's basically it for me right now. I know this video has been a little bit rambling. I don't even know how many cuts it will be at this point. I feel like it's just been like a word vomit of me just like saying hi, saying I've missed you, and I'm excited to be back. So I hope you have had a great summer. I hope you enjoyed Halloween. I hope you're excited for the holidays. Definitely gonna have some holiday content and holiday recipes for you. So that is something to look forward to. And I think I'm also gonna do some content around burnout, because I think that there are a lot of people that are struggling with that right now. And I'll just kind of talk through the process of me figuring out what that meant and some of the things that I've done to help my mental health and help me like re-spark things inside of my business. And yeah, we'll talk all about that. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you tuning in and watching. I'm back. I'm happy to be back. I'm excited to start filming again and sharing more content and more of me and more of my life and more recipes and more food and all of the things. So I will see you next week for, let's say, our wedding video, hopefully. And otherwise, I just appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.